beef short ribs. Actually, a couple of them are pretty decent. Fair amount of meat on them. I did take the silver skin off the top. That's probably the poorest one, but they had to get rid of it somewhere, and I happen to be the lucky one. But I'm going with the Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake. This is another one of these seasonings that's just out of this world. If y'all haven't tried Uncle Steve's stuff yet, man, you really should be giving it a shot. It's just out of this world. And the man is a huge supporter of the barbecue community and other people. Get yourself some of this Uncle Steve product and tell him that Sleeper Barbecue sent you in the comments, and he's going to actually give you something extra for free inside your package. So place yourself a little order, say Sleeper Barbecue sent me, and get yourself a bottle of something free. Alright, we're going to get this closed up and let them go. Very nice. I'm looking to be in the 200s when I finish up on this, like 203, maybe 200, 203, something that range. I've opted out on braising them. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. Let's go ahead and get them on its side, if we can. On account of the bones. Alright, I think I'm going to go all the way over again. This time. Beautiful sear starting. Alrighty, before I put them on the top side, I'll catch these ends a little bit. Alright, so there you are. They're still sizzling, still smoking. They look absolutely beautiful. We're going to let them rest, and then we're going to slice into them. Alright, for the moment of truth. I got a live going on in the background, so I hope that's not annoying you. Sorry if it is. But we're going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go for this big one right here. Got excellent sear on it. Excellent. All right, we'll let them guys on the live give me a hard time. Oh my God. Excellent. I was so worried about this because they're so fatty, and I'm not a fat person, but the fat's rendered down. Excellent. We'll bring you back. Damn, that's good. All right, y'all. Beef short ribs on the grill. Absolutely excellent. Took them up to about 201, 202 because I had a live going, so I wasn't able to take them. A little bit push that. I was looking for 205. Plenty tender, plenty taste, out of this world. I'm Lance with Sleeper Barbecue. We'll see you next time.